you.
Goo goo gaga.
What she's trying to say is we need to run away. The sand is making us slow down.
Goo goo?
She's trying to say is, what is that noise?
Goo goo gaga.
What she's trying to say is, what is that? It's Count Olaf! He's trying to get our fortune. We have to keep running.
Sorry, I just took a little nap real quick.
I hear the canoe, but something's in the water.
I think it's Count Olaf.
That's just the ducks. And that is a monster. It's Count Olaf again. He's under the water.
Goo goo?
She's trying to say we need to go now.
Oh, being a dragon's a lot of work. I hope nobody comes and, tries to kidnap me or, whatnot.
Dragon!
Oh, no.
Attack!
Bird? Looks like the morning has came.
Oh, the morning, the birds are shining. I got hunters here. Today's gonna be an interesting day.
What the heck was that?
Nay. Was that one of the guards trying to shoot the dragon?
They'll never get me.
Not true.
We're coming to get you, evil dragon.
Oh no, there's a knight, a princess, warrior, a chicken, and a unicorn after me? What?
I'm gonna get... Oh no, I forgot my sword downstairs.
Go get him, chicken. Look, look. Was that someone falling down the stairs?
I think the dragon was tippy-toeing away.
Sounds like an evil dragon existence is helping.
Fly, my monkeys.
Monkey!
A dragon and a monkey do not match.
No. What is that? What's that?
I think the dragon's having fun up there saying we.
Oh, let's
flying
attack
around.
it. Let's attack it already.
I can't find my sword.
I can make you one.
It's running.
What was
Someone's
that?
going to get it.
Yay.
Let's go. Happy birthday, Rosa.
Thank you, Mom.
We got you something special.
Oh, why are you crying?
Oh no.
I think there's a sheep around here.
that someone threw off a cliff, yeah. See, that guy's really mad that you didn't let the box go.
Oh my
first.
God.
You spoiled the whole surprise.
I think a bull is coming.
I see. Look,
Oh no, the bull's gonna
he's
hit
just
the
not happy.
doggy.
Oh
You gotta calm down, sir.
The dog's gonna die.
Sir, please, it's just a dog. No.
Wait,
I insist.
Oh my God.
I will come over there right now. Don't make me. Look what you've done. You're tearing this family apart.
quiet.
This is the most ridiculous birthday I've ever had.
Daddy.
No, you're not the favorite kid. You stay over there. I got the good ones over here. The ones we're having a party for. Not you. No, stop. You're so rude.
Oh my God, I think Mom's sick.
You're so mean.
Oh,
I want to come to the birthday party.
Mom. You know what? Fine. You definitely can, and now we're all invited.
Yay, I'm
Now
stealing
we're
your
all happy.
dog.
So, what are your new books about?
Dr. Seuss.
History?
It's nice to, imagine you're in a quiet area while you're writing, though.
You're kind of good because you get your own space.
Right.
There's
Your
no-
imagination can run wild.
I think the person across the street and is having a problem with his car.
Oh, I thought it was a pig.
What was that?
This new office is starting to creep me out.
Yeah, me too.
Is that a llama?
Maybe
Yep.
because it's right next to a farm.
Oh, okay, that would be a logical answer.
But is there llamas at the farm? We like listening to music while we work.
Yes, yes we do. It puts us in a great mindset.
Just think of all our imagination.
Well, I'm gonna go get something to eat.
You probably should.
Yeah, I'll see you at our next book club meeting next month.